Welcome to Conference Whispers, Commercial UAV Expo Video Edition, also known as the Commercial Drone Expo. I'm Dr. Doreen Galli, Chief of Research at TBW Advisors LLC. TBW, Technical Business Whispers. The answer is always in the whispers. Subscribe today to get notified of future videos and analysis as soon as they become available. Conference Vibe. After 12 hours of standing and over 200 minutes of taping, 40 videos, and a few hundred shorts, our coverage of the Commercial UAV Expo closes. The Commercial UAV Expo 2024 had over 3,000 attendees and was one of two separate conferences held at Caesars Forum, not to be confused with Caesars Palace, a stroll away. Everything seemed very organized with no significant registration lines on Wednesday morning. Attendees arrived from across the globe and each was invited to put a pin on the map to represent where they traveled to attend. For those that had a full event pass, box lunches were available. We were able to catch videos of the box lunches on Wednesday as well as Thursday. The exhibition hall was open on Tuesday for cocktails, as well as Wednesday and Thursday. Overall, the expo had exhibits and talks on how to become a drone pilot to the drones themselves. There were endless examples of the latest technology in every type of UAV or UAS, to the sensors or equipment they may carry, to solutions to remotely operate and manage fleets of drones, to advanced solutions for analyzing geospatial data. Becoming a drone pilot. One hot topic at the Commercial UAV Expo is getting enough pilots for the industry, as most technology today is remote control versus truly autonomous. An entire aisle of the exhibit hall was dedicated towards pilot schools, including the Pilot Institute. The Pilot Institute even has a free class for those just getting started with a hobby license. Dan from Droneability shared his lessons learned from his journey as a recreational drone pilot to becoming a commercial pilot with his own company. Paul Rossi shared detailed information on his methodology for a pathway to professional drone pilot. Meanwhile, another session by FLyGuys highlighted if you have a license and equipment, they will hold your hand and give you all the settings if needed to help drone pilots get experience on a 1099 basis. Drones. As one might expect, commercial drones were absolutely the highlight of the Commercial UAV Expo. Many drones, like those of Swiss Air, are remote-controlled helicopters. Swiss Drones had their remote-controlled helicopter on exhibit along with Phoenix Air Group, who manages a fleet of pilots across the U.S. flying Swiss Air drones. If you might have to travel somewhere before you fly your commercial drone, A2Z Drones shared their 4 models during the press briefing. A2Z Drones also had an extensive display sharing these collapsible charging docks as well as their release hooks for packages. Attis Aviation introduced their new Roc VTOL UAV drone with extensive sensors leveraged for firefighting during the press competition. During the same event, Drones Amplified demonstrated how their drones are leveraged to create prescribed fires and backburns. For the healthcare industry, DrUber shared their solution during the press competition. DrUber can be leveraged for cross-town emergencies, be it organs or blood supplies. If weather interferes with your commercial operations, SwellPro, the pioneer of waterproof drones, was happy to share their solution with you. Of course, if one desired a fully autonomous drone, one of the more famous consumer manufacturers, DJI, shared their Matrice 3D fully autonomous drone. For the entertainment industry, we found the exciting drone shows. Not just any show, but the drones that enable pyrotechnics plus drone lights by Pablo Air. The military use case is, of course, on top of everyone's mind at the Commercial UAV Expo. If you are seeking paper or cardboard drones, you were in luck. Often referred to as blue drones, U.S. military drones are not allowed to have any components from outside of NATO countries. Harris Ariel shared their NDAA certified drones in the exhibit hall. The press competition shared impressive drone tech from Ukraine. Likewise, the exclusive provider of drones to Israel until 2027, Rhino DRones, was also in the competition. Finally, if you want one-stop shop and expect to need a variety of drones, or perhaps prefer to lease them, then exhibitors such as Blue Sky Drones that manufactures and sells other drones was on hand. Frontier Drones provide an extensive tour of their exhibit. As an organization, they represent over 30 different manufacturers. Drone components and attachments. The key to success of the industry is working together. Successful integration and successful collaboration dictate agreement on how things work or standards. The Drone Pilot Hub featured a talk on establishing standards to ensure quality. One safety measure that was popular was drone parachutes, which are required to enable flight over people in the USA. One vendor, VSS, was involved in the press competition. Parazero Drone Recover System was on exhibit and demonstrated how the parachute is as easy as buckling a seatbelt to attach. Drones requiring satellite communications could leverage Gotonomi, who presented in the press competition. Ultra-fast optical tracking technology was shared by SixdofSpace. Their optical tracking technology can be leveraged for landing UAVs or UASs. LiDAR systems are popular cargo on UAVs, but there are so many variations, it can make your head spin. One attempt, which looks promising, is by Balko Tech, who shared their Connective Modular LiDar solution. Many distributors were validating this solution internally. It will be exciting to see how it plays out. A new occurrence due to the drones used in Warzone is the requirement to operate even if GPS is jammed or spoofed. Annello Photonics shared their Silicon Photonics optical gyroscope. It is the world's smallest gyroscope on a chip, which enables robust navigation that is reliable even in such hostile GPS-contested environments. Another challenge of the commercial real-world solutions like war is range. Range anxiety is as real for drones as it is for EV car owners. Gas solutions are as loud as flying a lawnmower. How do you triple the range of a UAV? The exciting news is the UAV industry has a solution in hydrogen engines. Intelligent Energy provided TBW Advisors LLC with a detailed walk around their hydrogen energy cells. Not only is the range better, but hydrogen cells and hydrogen weigh much less over other energy solutions, leaving more space for cargo and sensors. Fleets. At the enterprise or sovereign level, there's an additional level of management required. SparrowHawk can identify UAVs in your airspace, friendly or hostile. FlytebAse provides an enterprise drone autonomy software and platform for advanced field placement. Together, it enables complete remote management of one's fleet of drones. If you are seeking to manage the drone's mission and airspace with one piece of software, Anra Technologies shared their effortless solution for enterprises just looking to get started and have no idea what drone is appropriate, let alone how to build the entire solution to get the mission accomplished. Attis Aviation was in the exhibit hall to share their story of helping customers realize their UAV solutions. Geospatial data. Geospatial data is an exciting area within data that is critical for UAVs. Geospatial data has to do with the real world and is three-dimensional information about a space. Geospatial data is considered time-based data related to that exact location on Earth. GeoCue shared their out-of-the-box LP360 solution for evaluating LiDAR information. This enables organization to take the information from the LiDAR and process, providing information that humans can recognize and leverage. Sense Aeronautics took great pride in their drone video analytics solution and its ability to recognize humans or cars coming into the monitored scene. Assetta has a special solution to detect red tide when spotted by drones. Datem also specializes in drones' famous stereo image and makes it useful for customers, providing a coherent image as expected by clients. Finally, those that just want the data and don't want to mess around with drones, let alone getting the data useful, FLyGuys is a data service provider, or DSP, that provides that exact service. Next year's conference. Next year's Commercial UAV Expo will once again be held at Caesars Forum, September 2nd to the 4th, 2025. I'm Dr. Doreen Galli, Chief of Research at TBW Advisors LLC. This has been Conference Whispers, Commercial UAV Expo, Video Edition. TBW, Technical Business Whispers. The answer is always in the whispers. Subscribe today. Have an amazing day.